To influence others means to change or impact them in some way. Social influence includes the interpersonal processes that facilitate change in other people's attitudes and behaviors. More generally, it includes all the ways we're affected by the presence of others. And what's interesting is, they don't have to be physically present to influence us. Simply imagining or thinking other people are around can affect us. These processes are bidirectional, meaning members influence the group, and the group influences the members. Scholars also categorize social influence based on its direction. Majority influence includes the interpersonal processes exerted by the larger portion of the group, which is called the majority, to facilitate change in the smaller group, the minority. This influence is downward. Minority influence is the smaller subgroup's attempt to change the larger subgroup. So, this influence is upward. Although majority influence usually works more quickly, minority influence is thought to create more permanent changes in the group. When one party attempts to influence another, they respond in a variety of ways, either yielding, resisting, or ignoring us altogether. Conformity occurs when they change their perceptions, opinions, or behaviors to be more consistent with those of the group. Compliance is a change that's elicited by a direct request. And obedience is a change that's prompted by the commands of an authority figure. You'll learn more about these concepts in the next few videos. The important thing to remember is, people's reactions vary, depending on their unique characteristics and the situation.